This is a true story that happened in the United States of America about a waitress named Maria who was working in a restaurant. One day, a poor man entered the restaurant. People were looking at him with disgust because of his ugly appearance. Maria greeted the old man with a gentle smile as if he was a regular customer and said to him, "My name is Maria. If you want anything, I am here to serve you." She treated him as a human being, not as a beggar. The manager of the restaurant warned Maria and said to her, if the beggar does not pay, it would be deducted from her salary. Maria agreed and offered the old man the best food in the restaurant and said to him, "Do not care about the price. This food is a gift from the restaurant on the occasion of the 10th anniversary of its founding." After the old man had eaten, he left the place. After that, Maria hurried to clean the table and found a message left by the old man saying, "Dear Maria, I am the owner of the restaurant, but I disguised myself as a beggar to see how the staff treat poor customers. This is my approval to upgrade you, as you will be the manager of the restaurant.